Welcome to Preform Line Products. The following presentation illustrates the recommended application of the helical connector for flying taps. Apply tape to the midpoint of the conductors. Install the first rod by placing the color code at the desired starting location. Wrap the rod around both conductors, ensuring to snap in the rod ends. Apply the second rod 180 degrees from the first rod by lining up the color marks and then rotating it to the opposite side of the conductor bundle. Continuing to line up the color marks, install the remaining rods in the gaps until all rods are installed. You have completed the installation of Preform Line Products Helical Connector for Flying Taps. The featured Preform product is manufactured in the United States and is backed by the experience and field support that PLP has been noted for since 1947. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any standard utility safety guidelines and practices or use of required protective equipment.